Hello everyone and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. Today is day number 3 of learning I Surrender by Hillsong Worship. So if this is the first video you want to see or you're seeing, you want to go back in video 1 and 2. So parts 1 and 2, I actually broke down the song and gave you step-by-step instructions, showed you how to do each sign. In today's video, I'm not going to do that. We're just going to walk through the song from top to bottom. Okay, so this week I am teaching from my car because it's just been one of those weeks that I'm driving my kids here, there, and everywhere. And presently I am sitting for 4 hours outside the community pool that is an hour and 20 minutes away from my house because my daughter is doing a lifeguarding course. So I figured, hey, let's take advantage of this time and we will do a car edition of Sign Language Worship. So that's what we're doing. And let's walk through this song from top to bottom. Okay, so a reminder, of course, I am left-handed. It means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below the video in the description, there's a link to print off the lyrics. And last but not least, please consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, so from the top, here I am. Sorry, I don't know why I pointed to myself. Here I am. Down on my knees again, surrendering all, surrendering all. Okay, and then find me here, Lord, you draw me near. I'm desperate for you, desperate for you. So I surrender, drench my soul as mercy and grace. So we're making a G there and flipping it, bringing it down. Grace unfold. I hunger and thirst. I hunger and thirst. With arms stretched wide, I know you hear my cry. Someone just pulled him beside me again. Speak to me now. Speak to me now. I surrender. I surrender. I want to know you more. I want to know you more. And that repeats, I surrender. I surrender. I want to know you more. I want to know you more. And then on, now that bridge, okay? So like a rushing wind, Jesus, breathe within. Lord, have your way. Lord, have your way in me like a mighty storm. Stir, so we're doing come within my soul. Lord, have your way. Lord, have your way in me. Okay, and then that repeats twice, but we'll just repeat it once more, okay? Like a rushing wind, Jesus, breathe within. Lord, have your way. Lord, have your way in me like a mighty storm. Sorry, I'm getting low. I try to get up here again. Lord, like a mighty storm. Come within my soul. Lord, have your way. Lord, have your way in me. And then it's, Lord, have your way. Lord, have your way in me. And then it goes back to, I surrender. I surrender. I want to know you more. I want to know you more. And that's everything you need in order to sign I Surrender by Hillsong Worship. So practice this as many times as you need to, and when you're ready, I'll see you in the next video when we're signing with the music. Bye. I hope above all that wherever you are healthy and that you are well, and that you always remember that God cares far more about the condition of your heart than the position of your hands. I hope you have a great day. Bye.